This CPD Tracker template helps you track all your CPD hours. On the log sheet, this is where you log your hours. I'll just paste in a row. You can download the CPD Tracker template for free in the description. As you can see, you have various headings: activity, title, type, hours. You put them in numbers, and 1.5 is for an hour and a half, 90 minutes. Your learning outcome, your provider, who provides the training for you, or the professional development, and other notes here. You can also add other fields if you like. And then under settings, you can just put in the amount of goals, your formal goals, informal goals, and that gets written on the dashboard here. So you've 22.5 done. That sums the logs. So you can download this template for free if you like in the description.